Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute dog. It is made of two parts, the head and the body, that are tied together with tape, and it is pretty easy to make. If you like our model, please give us a share, a like, or subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. So we're going to need 2 pieces of origami paper, preferably the same color. We're going to start with the head and start with the origami white side up. Fold the origami paper in half horizontally. Crease and unfold. Then fold the bottom edge to the middle line, to the middle crease we just created. Crease. And then the top edge to the middle line. Now turn the model 90 degrees and fold in half on the other way. And then open it. Now we're going to make a fold along this diagonal, which means we're going to bring this corner outside, outward. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, now we're going to bring this top edge to the middle line. And crease really well, and then we bring the bottom edge to the top edge. Now we're going to fold this corner just a little bit. And the left corner too. And now we turn the model over, and we're going to make a fold along this line, which means we're going to bring this corner here. And we're going to do the same on the left side. And these are the ears of the dog. And now we have this corner left. We're going to fold it and then tuck it inside. And do the same for the left corner. So this is the head of the dog. And now we're going to make the body of the dog. We're going to start with the white side of the origami, and we're going to fold it in half diagonally. Crease, and then fold it again in half. Open it, and we're going to bring this corner to the middle crease, the bottom side we just created. Crease and open it, and now we're going to bring this corner to the middle line. Now we're going to do a pleat, which means we'll fold it parallel to the first fold in the opposite direction, like this. Okay, next we're going to bring this corner to the middle line. And then we're going to do another pleat here. And then do the same on the left side. And do another pleat here. The same as the one on the right. Okay, now we're going to fold the model in half. And here is the body. You have the tail here and two legs in front. And now we're gonna tie the head to the body. So to tie the head to the body, we can use tape, as I did in these models. Or we can use a stapler. This time I'm gonna use a stapler. Now we're gonna draw the face, eyes and nose. That's it. Here's the origami dog. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.